Here's what working at your big pharma says about you. If you work at Pfizer, you thrive in chaos and you like it. You can juggle 5 projects, 3 time zones, and one half finished cup of coffee like it's an Olympic sport. You keep a blazer on the back of your chair, sneakers under your desk, and at least one spreadsheet labeled Final, 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 version 3. You like progress that moves fast and meetings that don't. At Pfizer, you don't just adapt to change, you pencil it in before lunch. If you work at Beijing, your passport gets more action than your Netflix account. You think time zones are just a suggestion and caffeine is a core competency. You believe science should travel faster than bureaucracy, and you've got the Slack threads to prove it. You prefer builders to talkers, and you've mastered the art of nodding wise on a 6 a.m. video call. At Beijing, you're global, caffeinated, and gloriously unstoppable. If you work at Amgen, you alphabetize your spice rack and feel things deeply about Excel formulas. You believe measure twice, cut once applies to both lab work and parallel parking. You're allergic to shortcuts, but addicted to process improvement. You like your data clean, your hiking boots muddy, and your ethics spotless. At Amgen, precision isn't a buzzword, it's a love language. If you work at Novartis, you brainstorm in color-coded sticky notes and somehow make optimism look like strategy. You say, let's reimagine at least twice before lunch, and you mean it. You collect ideas like other people collect frequent flyer miles, and you're only slightly dangerous with a laser pointer. You thrive on change, collaboration, and really good coffee. At Novartis, you're bold, bright, and just restless enough to change the world. If you work at Genentech, your brain runs on curiosity and possibly kombucha. You probably bike to work, own too many hoodies, and can explain CRISPR in a way that somehow involves sourdough bread. You love open spaces, open science, and a good debate over lunch by the bay. You take your innovation seriously, but not yourself. At Genentech, you're what happens when science and California have a very smart baby.